Down low to Morris on Ennis. Hook shot, no. Rebound tip, won by Harden. And then Morris is going to get teed. Oh, no, he's not. He's going to give an elbow to James Ennis. Have to be separated, have some words for one another.
Good job by the officials right there to defuse that situation in a hurry.
Real quick.
I think Morris thought he was fouled on the post-up. And as they go down the floor, there's the elbow right there from Morris, and they're having words, him and Ennis. But the official did a real nice job of getting in there and separating them.